Hey, what's up guys? This is my first ever unboxing video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe with the bell notifications on. I just received this new keyboard that I got off of mechanicalkeyboards.com. I really recommend it. I'll have it in the description if you guys want to check it out. It's a Ducky 2 mini keyboard. I've heard a lot of good things about it. My friend has it, so it looks pretty cool. Nice casing. Let's see what this has. 2 little walks. I ended up getting the Kailh box brown switches. They look pretty cool. Got some of that. Let's see. This is pretty nice. Cool. Pretty clicky. The caps for the keys, the keycaps. They got the custom space bar. I don't know if you guys can see that. Focus. The thing to grab out the key tops with. Pretty nice. Then I think we have like the cable to connect the keyboard with my Xbox, which is down there, right there in the corner. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I think I heard a lot of good things about it. I'm really excited to try it out. I think I'll be streaming Friday and Saturday this weekend. So, and then here's my mouse. It's the Logitech G502 Hero. It's really good. I really recommend it. I have it in the description if you guys want to check it out. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and make sure to have those notifications on. It really does help me out a lot. But other than that, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.